Hi, this is my Cavalier Turbo Diesel running on cooking oil. That's the fuel feed, look, the fuel inlet down there, that greenhouse, can you see it? Follow it up, look just there. That's cooking oil, spitting a bit out, but I'm going to pour some more in, look. Whoa. Quick. Just rejuvenated it by pouring some more in. There ain't that much left now, but that's proof that the theory does work. And that's one of the brands that I was using. There we go. There we go, that was a Cavalier Turbo Diesel Isuzu engine 1.7 running on cooking oil. I shall put this on YouTube now and the fumes stink.